ETV Bharat. Yes, please.
What is the role of healthy breakfast in countering malnutrition in kids? I am raising this question because recently Tamil Nadu government launched a free breakfast scheme for government school children. In South India, Kerala also providing free breakfast to school kids, government school kids. So recently it was the system was introduced 1 month before. We recently did a story. When we were interacted with teachers and their kids' parents, they told us that the kids' activity improved a lot. Whenever they are having breakfast in the school, after that they are concentrating more on studies. So I want to, this is their experience.
Right. We will answer this question.
Yes. Breakfast has a very, very important role. If you look at it, our brain needs energy and brain primarily uses glucose to provide that energy. So the evidence that you were quoting from Tamil Nadu is very right. There are studies which are showing that your school feeding programs really helped in meeting that that temporary hunger, because most of the time when children come to schools, either they have had inadequate breakfast or they've had hardly anything to eat. So the breakfast helps them in meeting their immediate requirement for energy and the temporary hunger, which affects their performance. So yes, we need to really help children eat regular meals and because children's stomachs are smaller, so they need more frequent feeding. Over from my side.